Welcome back to Tiffany's Tiny Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some sarmas, or how some people call them dolmas, or how some people call them stuffed grape leaves. Stay tuned if you want to find out my family's recipe. So the ingredients you may want to purchase for this recipe include grape leaves, a white onion, some tomato paste, some fresh parsley, salt, pepper, olive oil, and most importantly, rice, and some dill. You're just going to want to grab a cutting board and your sharpest knife and put it on some nice big counter space as seen here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just cut up your tomatoes into smaller pieces. I like to do about this size. I don't know what that would be, but like about this big. Don't forget to take the peel off your onion. So the next step is you're just going to want to put everything in a food processor. I don't have a food processor because I have a tiny kitchen, but I do have a magic bullet. So we're just going to go ahead and use that. Sometimes it's gotta really shake it. So once it starts to look like kind of like a strawberry milkshake, you want to stop the processing. And then you're gonna just go ahead and put it in the bowl of your choice. Next, you're gonna get your tomato paste and you're gonna put about 1 to 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste in your strawberry milkshake concoction. Okay, so now we're moving on to herbs. It is herb time. I'm just gonna put my hat on so I can go get some herbs for my garden. If you have some, you can even pick some fresh mint from your garden. For my garden, it's tiny, just like my kitchen, and I'm just gonna give it a quick little rinse. So parsley wise, you're gonna want to get about like this much. That's about how much I use. Again, I don't know how to measure it because I have a tiny kitchen and I don't have the tools, but that's about how much I do normally. Let me just, this is like the size I chop. Just gonna want to chop them. Okay, this is the perfect consistency. You're just gonna mix everything together. This is about the color you want it to be, just so you know. Just add it all together, as well as some dill. I'm gonna try and get some rice out of my cabinet. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to a very crucial ingredient. You can't forget this ingredient. Don't think about forgetting it. And that is rice. And you want to just add about a cup. Seems like about enough. About this much olive oil, and then it's really just salt and pepper from there. So just grab your salt, grab your pepper, and let's add it in. Hi, welcome back to Tiffany's Tiny Kitchen. Now we are going to start the most important process. It's the actual rolling of the sarmas. Sometimes they're a little stuffed in there. Emphasis on the stuffed. So you just really gotta pull them out. Okay, so once you're all done rolling the sarmas, what you're gonna wanna do is grab a medium-sized pot. So you're gonna wanna line the bottom of the pot with the extra grape leaves. Start putting the sarmas like in the pot around in a circle, you know? So the next step is you need to get some water and submerge the top of the dolmas with it. After that, you want to get something that will like push down the dolmas or the sarmas or the stuffed grape leaves I don't really have anything good to use except this other bowl, so I'm just gonna do that and like push down. You also have to put something heavy on top because like you want it to stay down. So all I really have is this big olive oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. And then it's time to get cooking. While those dolmas are cooking, it's time for cocktail hour. Okay, so these have been on for about 30 to 35 minutes, and I think they're about done. So I'm going to use this pot holder that my dear friend Taylor's mother knitted and crocheted for me, and just take this off. Be very careful, it's hot. And there you have it, delicious sarma or dolma or stuffed grape leaves. Thank you for tuning into Tiffany's Tiny Kitchen, and don't forget to like and subscribe.